Vehicle application. 2007 to 2015 Ford Edge, 2007 to 2018 Lincoln MKX, 2007 to 2015 Mazda CX-9. Filter cross-references. Bosch P3917WS, Ford 7T4Z19N619B, KNVF2019. Mazda, L206-61P11L2Y661P11, Purolator C25876. Easy install. This cabin air filter is located behind the glove box and on average will only take 15 minutes to replace the old filter with a new filter. FRAM Fresh Breeze cabin air filters are the only cabin filter built with Arm Hammer baking soda combined with carbon embedded in the filter, helping to take out odors that enter your vehicle through the ventilation system. This cabin air filter will help protect your vehicle's heating and air conditioning unit while allowing for the most efficient airflow into the cabin of your vehicle. The FRAM Fresh Breeze cabin air filter is the only cabin air filter that uses the natural deodorizing properties of Arm Hammer baking soda and activated carbon embedded in the filter. FRAM recommends changing your cabin air filter every 12,000 miles. Top reviews from the United States. Easy and correct. 2010 Ford Edge easy install. 5 minutes. Watch a quick video to find out where it was located and popped it right in.